What's up, everybody? It's Annie, aka Annie Luhu. Today I am super excited because I am going to Star Wars Land, the galaxy over there at Disneyland in Anaheim, California, and I am so excited. Somehow I got reservations, and yeah, today I'm gonna try vlogging for you guys. That way you could see what I see and experience it with me. I got my little badge right here. It says I'm celebrating Star Wars Land. Ripped it off on accident, my bad. But yeah, I'm trying not to show you guys my boobs, my bad. I am super excited, so I'm gonna try vlogging everything for you guys. Unfortunately, my time slot isn't till 8 p.m. till midnight, so the lighting and all that good stuff might not be as good, but I'm gonna try to get everything for you guys. If you have any questions, hopefully I get to them all. For now, follow along and join me on our little Disneyland Star Wars journey. You guys, we're here, and they have this little sign when you first walk up. Reservations required for Star Wars entry into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. That's us! We finally get to get our wristbands! Oh, okay. Yay! Yay!
It's like everyone's coming up to me like, oh yeah, we go here, right? Where are you guys going to?
So excited. Now we gotta get them activated.
Activate wristbands, folks.
There you go.
Thank you. You got yours activated? Yeah. So we just got our passes activated. I'm so excited. It's getting closer. Now we have 2 hours until we enter Batu. To get to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, you gotta go in through Critter Country and then see Hungry Bear Restaurant. It's gonna be right here. So far no one's in line really. There's people waiting around, but yeah, just for future reference, this is where you're gonna go. You guys were like in the front of the line, and then you got all that behind us.
Continue to walk off-worlder.
We are currently outside of the cantina. Look at that beautiful sky. So at Oga's Cantina, we get these really cool coasters. We get to keep them. So, let's see what this one has. Same thing.
How are we all doing over here?
This one. And then our bill.
You got yours.
$159. And here's where else we got. They have little eyeballs in them.
I've never uploaded so much.
guys. Look what I got. I got the blue milk. Let's see. It tastes like Glade plugins, but it's really good. What's up, you guys? So I'm here with Sally, another YouTuber. Hey, YouTube! At Disneyland, yep. And his name is Sally. He does YouTube reviews on, on hip hop. So.
And baller visions too. Shout out to baller visions.
Oh yeah, watch out now. But yeah, nice to meet you.
Turn on. Oh no.
Oh, we messed that up. All bad, yes. Cringe. Big time.
Come on aboard. Yes. You're pretty brave to want to fly that thing.
Thank you. Yay, we got our missions. Engineers.
Have I died and gone to heaven?
It's a hunk of junk, so.
Hunk of junk. Photobomb. Video bomb. Yeah, video bomb. We're the engineers. She said no.
Hey, you got her.
Engineer.
Engineer sounds easy.
We got our little.
Not in school, but
Yeah, get off the little.
are you trying to?
Oh,
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Watch, they're like, you're gonna crash in 5 seconds.
Yeah. You're done.
You're done.
show you.
Guys, I got you guys.
Good job.
I don't know what I'm
Yes, keep shooting.
Okay, let's shoot. There we go.
Calculated action.
Bitch, I am trying right now. We are gonna save this ship. Bitch.
Come on, we got this. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Watch out! My bad. Dora and make Chewie proud.
I like where your head's at though. We can keep experimenting. Is this second transit?
I was like, why is it so dark? I had it on that slow-mo mode. Everybody? Should I get him? What's up, guys? Annie, aka Annie Lou.
We're going to get these meats roasted in joy.
You guys, unfortunately, I did not get to build a lightsaber, but these are the 4 different ones you are able to choose from. So that is awesome, but I'm so sad I didn't get to build one. Next time. This is another one of your shops. So pretty. We got the girls' cute little goodies. They're so cute.